Alright, welcome everyone to a series that I am calling Daily Weather Charts, where we will look through many kinds of weather maps on each day and analyze what the weather is going to do and kind of piece together a forecast from a broader standpoint across the country. Today's weather charts are valid at 7 a.m. On April 18th. If you enjoyed this weather video, leave a like and subscribe and we'll get started. So the visible satellite imagery this morning shows a big swirl over southeast Canada, and that is the same storm system that impacted the middle of the country late last week, and is slowly tracking to the northeast. This is going to be bringing dry continental air through the eastern United States, across much of the eastern U.S., switching to the upper level water vapor view. We see our next storm system moving onshore into the western U.S. We'll take a look into that, as well as a subtle feature we see down here in South Texas, off the Texas coast. The radar view for the country is mostly clear, with the exception of southeast Texas and Louisiana, with some scattered and numerous showers ongoing, and as well as some rain showers moving into the Pacific Northwest. And so next, moving to our upper air charts, we're going to start with the upper atmosphere this morning and move down to the surface. Starting at 300 millibars, we're looking for the upper level jet and where there's defluence aloft, which is the spreading apart of our wind vectors. And so what that looks like here is you have winds over here that are moving to the far to the northeast, and you have wind vectors that are spreading down to the east or the southeast. And the region in between these two wind vectors would create some uplift in the upper atmosphere. You would be bringing down some air from below and rising it up to fill this void. And so we have a piece of the jet stream over the east coast, denoted by the black arrows here. And another piece of the jet stream is going to be coming onshore into the western U.S., and this storm system will impact the U.S. over the next coming days. We do see a third piece of the jet stream over South Texas, helping to create uplift over Texas and Louisiana, helping to create these showers over Texas and Louisiana. Next, we're going to move to 500 millibars, which is the midsection of the atmosphere, and we're going to analyze the wave pattern specifically for troughs and ridges. The shorter heights analyzed show the center of the trough in decameters. One trough is located over eastern Canada and stretching down into the Ohio Valley, with another trough moving into the western U.S. We also see a subtle shortwave over South Texas down here, and that is also helping to create the uplift in the atmosphere to create those showers that are down there. Okay, next we're going to move to 850 millibars, and we are getting into the lower parts of the atmosphere. And what we're looking for here is our low-level jet, which is responsible for bringing warm and moist air northward. And we have a low-level jet analyzed from southern Kansas down into Texas. And this is a 30 to 45 knot low-level jet. And if you're unfamiliar with the knots measurement, that is measuring the wind velocity. And I'll show you the conversion between knots and miles per hour. You just take your wind measurement in knots and multiply it by 1.15, and that is your wind speed in miles per hour. And this low-level jet is going to be bringing warm and moist advection over the coming days into the middle part of the country. And so next we're going to move to our surface chart, and we have a surface low developing over Montana and Wyoming, with a cold front trailing down into the Rockies and into the desert southwest. A warm front stretches from over the western high plains. Surface dew points are analyzed with 50 to 60 degree dew points streaming north from South Texas, and this is as a response from the low-level jet at 850 millibars. So what does the forecast look like over the next couple of days? This chart is valid tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Central Time. That warm front is going to be pushing through the midsection of the U.S. Today, with showers and storms possible over the central United States. Occasional snow showers are possible in the New England area, as well as parts of the northwestern United States. For tomorrow, that warm front will be pushing into the Midwest. Thunderstorms are expected, with some severe storms possible over the southern and central plains. And then as we move to Thursday, that cold front surges south and east, and this will shift the severe weather risk to the lower Mississippi Valley. Snow will become more likely on the backside of this system across the upper Midwest and the northern United States. And that will conclude this video, and I will try to upload these on a regular basis, but a routine may take some time to get established. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and I will see you next time.